Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a challenge for a lot of us: staying fit while traveling. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional vacationer, maintaining your fitness routine on the go can be tough. We all know the struggle. You're on a trip, whether it's for work or play, and suddenly your regular routine goes out the window. You're navigating new places, dealing with time zone changes, and trying to make the most of your trip. You're eating different foods, sleeping in different beds, and the last thing you want to do is search for a gym in a strange city. It can feel overwhelming, and sometimes it's easier to just skip the workout altogether. But here's the thing: staying active while you're away from home doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be a fun and exciting part of your travel experience. Imagine exploring a new city on a morning jog, or finding a peaceful spot for yoga in a beautiful park. Staying fit can actually enhance your travel experience and help you see new places in a different light. I've got some super simple, travel-friendly fitness tips that will help you stay active, healthy, and energized while you're on the road. These tips are easy to follow and don't require any special equipment. These are the tips I use every time I travel, and let me tell you, they make a world of difference. Not only do they keep me in shape, but they also boost my energy levels and make my trips more enjoyable. So let's jump right in. Get ready to discover how you can stay fit and have fun while traveling. Let's make your next trip your healthiest one yet. First things first, let's talk about packing. When you're preparing for a trip, it's easy to overlook your fitness routine. But with a little planning, you can stay active and healthy no matter where you go. Now, I'm not talking about stuffing your suitcase with bulky equipment. You don't need to bring your entire home gym with you. Instead, focus on compact, versatile items that can fit easily into your luggage. We're traveling light here, people. The goal is to stay fit without being weighed down by heavy gear. But there are a few key items that take up practically zero space, but can make a world of difference in helping you stay active on your trip. First up, resistance bands. These are incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of exercises. These things are like magic. They can be used for strength training, stretching, and even rehabilitation exercises. They're lightweight, they're tiny. You can literally stuff them anywhere in your bag, and they give you a full-body workout. Whether you're in a hotel room or a park, resistance bands can help you maintain your fitness routine. Trust me, resistance bands are your new best friend when it comes to staying toned on the go. Next, the jump rope. This simple tool is incredibly effective for cardiovascular workouts. This is pure cardio magic. Jumping rope can burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time, making it perfect for quick, high-intensity workouts. It's small, it's light, and you can get your heart rate up in minutes, anywhere. Whether you're in a hotel room, a park, or even on a rooftop, a jump rope can provide an excellent workout. Hotel room, park, rooftop, the world is your gym. You don't need a lot of space to get a great workout with a jump rope. And finally, if you're into yoga or stretching, a foldable yoga mat is a game changer. It provides a clean, comfortable surface for your practice, no matter where you are. It gives you a clean, dedicated space to stretch out those travel kinks and get your zen on, no matter where you are. Whether you're doing a full yoga session or just some light stretching, a foldable yoga mat is essential. These three things, resistance bands, jump rope, and a foldable yoga mat, are like my holy trinity of travel fitness. They cover all the bases: strength, cardio, and flexibility. They give you the flexibility to work out pretty much anywhere, anytime. No excuses. With these items in your travel kit, you can maintain your fitness routine and stay healthy, no matter where your travels take you. So pack smart, stay active, and enjoy your trip. Okay, now let's talk about sightseeing. This is one of my favorite ways to stay active while traveling, and it's so simple. Sightseeing doesn't just have to be about taking photos and checking off landmarks. It can be an immersive experience that keeps you moving and engaged. Instead of hopping in a cab or taking the bus everywhere, why not explore the city on foot? Walking through the streets, you get to see the little details that you might miss otherwise. The charming cafes, the street performers, the local shops, all these add to the richness of your travel experience. Walking is such an underrated form of exercise. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the sights, the sounds, and the smells. Plus, it's a great way to burn calories without even realizing it. It's low impact. It's great for your cardiovascular health, and it allows you to really experience a city at your own pace. You can stop whenever you want, take a break at a park, or grab a coffee at a local cafe. It's all about enjoying the moment. You can discover hidden gems, soak up the atmosphere, and get your steps in all at the same time. Every corner turned can lead to a new adventure, a new story to tell. It's a way to connect with the place and its people. And if you want to kick things up a notch, rent a bike. Biking allows you to cover more ground while still being active. It's perfect for those who want to see more in less time. Cycling is another fantastic way to explore a new place, and it's a great workout for your legs and core. You can ride through parks, along rivers, or even up hills for a bit of a challenge. It's a versatile activity that can be as easy or as intense as you want it to be. Plus, it's just plain fun. There's something liberating about feeling the wind in your hair and the freedom to go wherever you want. It's a joyful way to experience a new environment. Remember, staying active on vacation shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be an adventure. Whether you're walking, biking, or even hiking, make it a part of your travel story. Embrace the journey, stay active, and most importantly, have fun. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about those days when you're stuck in a hotel room? Maybe you're jet-lagged, maybe the weather's terrible, or maybe you just need a day to relax. But that doesn't mean your fitness routine has to go out the window. Hotel rooms are actually perfect for quick, effective bodyweight workouts. No gym, no problem. You can do squats, lunges, push-ups, planks, crunches. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you don't need any equipment. Aim for a 15 to 20-minute workout, focusing on full body movements to really maximize your time. Set a timer on your phone, do each exercise for 30 to 45 seconds, take a short break, and repeat. Trust me, you can get an amazing workout in your hotel room with just your own body weight. Chapter 4. The hydration hustle. All right, let's talk hydration. This is crucial, especially when you're traveling. Air travel, different climates, all that walking around, it can really dehydrate you. And dehydration leads to fatigue, headaches, and just feeling blah. Not what you want on vacation. So here's the deal. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. Seriously, everywhere. Make it your new travel buddy. And make a conscious effort to drink water throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty. By then, you're already dehydrated. Sip on water constantly, especially when you're out and about exploring. Trust me, staying hydrated will make a world of difference in your energy levels and overall well-being on your trip. Chapter 5. Food swaps for the win. Let's be real, one of the best parts of traveling is trying new foods. But let's be honest, it can also be a recipe for derailing your healthy eating habits. But here's the thing, you don't have to deprive yourself to stay on track. It's all about making smart choices and finding a balance. When you're ordering at restaurants, try to go for meals that include protein, healthy fats, and veggies. And don't be afraid to ask for substitutions. Instead of fries, ask for a side of steamed vegetables or a salad. Choose grilled or baked dishes over fried options. And pack some healthy snacks like nuts, fruit, or protein bars to keep you satisfied between meals. Okay, let's talk about those hotel perks. I know it can be tempting to just chill in your room, but if your hotel has a gym or a pool, take advantage of them. Even a quick 20 to 30-minute workout can make a difference. Hit the treadmill for a quick cardio session, lift some weights, or try out the hotel gym's classes. And if there's a pool, even better. Swimming is an amazing full-body workout that's easy on your joints. A few laps in the pool can be a fun and refreshing way to get your exercise in. Let's be real. Traveling can take a toll on your body. All that sitting on planes, trains, and automobiles can leave you feeling stiff and sore. That's why it's so important to make time for stretching. Stretching helps to release tension, improve circulation, and prevent injuries. And the best part is, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Take a few minutes each morning or evening to stretch out your neck, back, legs, and any other areas that feel tight. Trust me, even a few minutes of stretching can make a world of difference in how you feel. It's like hitting the reset button on your body. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about setting realistic goals. Remember, the goal here isn't to have the perfect workout routine while you're traveling. It's about staying active, making healthy choices, and listening to your body. So instead of putting pressure on yourself to stick to your usual routine, set small, achievable goals for your trip. Maybe it's walking 10,000 steps a day, maybe it's drinking enough water, or maybe it's doing a 10-minute body weight workout in your hotel room. Whatever it is, make it something you can actually stick to. Remember, small changes add up over time. And the most important thing is to be consistent and to enjoy the journey. And that's it for today's travel fitness tips. Remember, staying fit while traveling doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few small choices each day can help you feel amazing, even when you're far from home. Let me know in the comments if you have any travel fitness tips of your own, or if there's something you want to try on your next trip. Thanks for watching and safe travels. See you in the next video.